Bravo something camping, Echo India 7, Bravo something was still Novo, Japan Germany 1, off Canada from Turkey. Are you sure you're more station? I copy you, 0 1 5 and 5. Very nice, Indian Tokyo in this afternoon. Oh, by the way, my name is Mac, Mexico, America Charlie. Mexico, America Charlie, Mac is my name. EDH once again, Indian Tokyo. Before anything else, I'd like to make sure your code sign. Echo India 7, Bravo something 77, Super Mobile, Japan Germany 1, Oscar Uniform Tango, over.
Okay, Mark. Mark, my call sign is Echo India 7, Golf Uniform Bravo. Golf Uniform Bravo Mobile. Echo India 7, Golf Uniform Bravo Mobile. Roger, Mark?
Roger, copy that. Echo India 7, Germany, United Bravo Stroke Mobile. Japan Germany 1, Austin from Tokyo. Okay, I copy your call sign 100%. Again, if is 5 and 5, reports are made to you. Are you in the middle of driving or not? But for your safety, I should be going to put it over and as a person to talk to me, even better for your safety. But anyway, thank you very much for calling. Echo India 7, Germany, United Bravo Stroke Mobile. Japan Germany 1, Oscar Uniform Tokyo. Do you copy?
Yeah, okay, Mark. Echo India 7, Golf Uniform Bravo Mobile returning. A very good morning to you. Afternoon, I think your side. A very good evening to you. Name here is Tony, Tango, Oscar, November, Yankee, Tony. I'm in Dublin City, Delta Uniform Bravo, Lima, India, November, Dublin City. We have just pulled over on the side of the mountain. We're just up a mountain here. And I heard you calling, so I said I'd pull in and listen for you. Fine copy on your station. You're 5 and 7 into Dublin, into my mobile, Mark. Mark, I will have a little video as well. I will have a little video I'll post on YouTube so you can see. Echo India 7, Golf Uniform Bravo Mobile. Echo returning, Roger.
Okay, I can just see what's the other, there was a little guy. His kids, Wolver's station, and come up to Columbia, Wolver's station. 5 and 5, what in a 5 and 5 section 6 players. Very, very nice, from the Wolver's station, even from the Echo Indian land. A very, very congratulations on it to bring us to give us a very, very nice, over the rise on the KDH. And the Wolver's station, very, very good indeed. Okay, Tony, thank you very much for being on talking to you. You dropped Camry on the way to go. I did not know your payment final destination, but just so you were taking care of yourself and drive safely. I said, Jimmy Green, and thank you very much for the nice talking to you. Very, very nice for the guys on time. Echo India 7, Germany, United Bravo Stroke Mobile, Japan Germany 1, Oscar Uniform Tokyo. 73, my friend, Tony.
Okay, Mark, no problems at all. Echo India 7, Golf Uniform Bravo returning. All copied, Mark, and I have a small video you can see. You can see. 73s, Mark, Echo India 7, Golf Uniform Bravo, Tony here in Dublin. Bye-bye.
Okay, 73, my friend, Tony, bye-bye.